Today, let's keep talking about words related to trials. And to help you improve your English fluency, I have created a fun mini story. As usual, I will ask you many simple questions. You must answer quickly. It's just like having a conversation with someone in real life.
Welcome to Speak English Now podcast with your host, Georgiana, the podcast that will help you to speak English fluently with no grammar and no textbooks.
Hi, I'm Georgiana, your English teacher. Thanks for joining me for a new episode. My mission is to help you speak English fluently. If you want to help, please share the podcast. That would mean a lot. Thanks. Before we start, get the transcript on my website, speakenglishpodcast.com. Okay, let's start. Number 1. Expert witness. An expert witness is someone who, in a trial, gives their professional and impartial opinion on a specific topic related to the trial. Sometimes they may prepare a report or testify. For example, the expert witness gave his professional opinion on the box. It was indeed an empty box of chocolate chip cookies. Number 2. Witness. A witness is someone who has direct knowledge of the facts on trial. Witnesses are essential because they can help determine a defendant's guilt. For example, a witness can provide key information about the crime circumstances and help confirm whether the defendant was present at the crime scene. Example: the witness testified with horror that he saw the defendant eating and tasting the last chocolate chip cookie in the box. Number 3. Cross-examination. In trials, an attorney asks the defendant and others questions to find out more about what happened. For example, imagine this cross-examination between the prosecutor and the defendant. So why did you lick your fingers? Because they were covered in chocolate. There are no further questions, Your Honor. Number 4. Judge. The judge is the most influential person in the courtroom. They preside over the trial and pass sentences. Your Honor is a respectful form to address a judge. For example, the judge ruled that the defendant was guilty of eating the last cookie without sharing it with his friends. Number 5. Jury. On the other hand, a jury is a randomly selected group of people to decide whether a person is guilty or not guilty. Example: the judge had to break for lunch as the jury got hungry after hearing about cookies for hours. Number 6. Sentence. The sentence is the judge's decision as to the innocence or guilt of the defendant. The judge can either absolve or convict the defendant with the sentence, depending on whether they were found guilty. Example: the judge passed sentence after hearing the prosecutor, counsel, witness, expert witness, and the defendant himself. And the last word for today is penalty. In the context of a trial, the word penalty is the punishment imposed by the judge if the defendant is found guilty. For example, the judge imposed on the defendant the penalty of buying cookies every day for his friends for 1 month. Okay, I hope you're having fun. Let's listen to all the terms we have learned over the last 2 episodes. Defendant, courtroom, accomplice, lawyer or attorney, presumption of innocence, prosecutor, evidence, expert witness, witness, cross-examination, judge, jury, sentence, penalty. Perfect. Now let's continue with a mini story so that you can practice your spoken English. I will tell a story by asking simple questions. I use this technique extensively in my premium courses, as it is highly effective. First, I say a phrase with information. Next, I ask some questions. After each question, there is a pause. It's your turn to answer. After each pause, I give a correct answer. That's how I build a story. And if you want to improve your fluency much faster, check out my premium courses on my website, speakenglishpodcast.com/courses. There are several levels. Okay, let's start. Ben was accused of eating the last chocolate chip cookie without sharing it with his friends. Hey Ben, did you drink anything? No, I didn't drink anything. Were you accused of anything? Yes, I was accused of something. Were you accused of eating something? Yes, I was accused of eating the last cookie. Was it a peanut butter cookie? No, it wasn't a peanut butter cookie. It was a chocolate chip cookie. Did you share the cookie with anyone? No, I didn't share it with anyone. I ate the last chocolate chip by myself. Who accused you? My friends. My friends accused me of eating the last chocolate chip cookie without sharing. Everybody was in the courtroom, and Judy, the judge, opened the session, and the jury listened attentively to the expert witness. Is the courtroom empty? No, the courtroom is not empty. Everybody's in the courtroom. Judy, did you open anything? Yes, I opened the session. Did the jury listen to you? No, the jury didn't listen to me. They listened to the expert witness. Did the jury talk to the expert witness? No. The jury listened to the expert witness. They listened attentively to the expert witness. There was also a witness in the courtroom who was called upon to testify before the jury. Was there a witness in the courtroom? Yes, there was a witness in the courtroom. Did the witness dance? No, the witness didn't dance. The witness was called upon to testify. Did the witness testify before the judge or the jury? The jury. The witness didn't testify before the judge, but testified before a jury. Judy, the judge, presented definitive evidence: an empty box of chocolate chip cookies. Judy, have you presented your bibliography? No, not my bibliography. I presented some evidence. What kind of evidence did you present? Definitive. I have presented definitive evidence. What was the definitive evidence? A box of cereal? No, not a box of cereal. A box of cookies. The definitive evidence was an empty box of chocolate chip cookies. Judy, did you eat all the cookies? No, I didn't eat any cookies. It was Ben who ate all the chocolate chip cookies. I just presented the empty box as a definitive evidence. Finally, Judy, the judge, handed down a severe sentence. The defendant had to offer chocolate chip cookies to all his friends. Hey, Judy, did you hand down anything? Yes, I handed down something. Did you shake hands with anyone? No, I didn't shake hands with anyone. I handed down the sentence. How was the sentence? Severe or minor? Severe. The sentence was severe. What did the sentence involve? Chocolate chip cookies. The sentence involved chocolate chip cookies. To whom did the defendant have to offer cookies? To you? No, not to me. The defendant had to offer chocolate chip cookies to all his friends. Well, this is the end of this short exercise. If you find it challenging, it's perfectly normal. You should repeat it several times, and if possible, on different days, to better understand the material. As you can see, answering many simple questions can improve your speaking, just like in a real-life conversation. This is one of the powerful techniques I use extensively in my premium courses. The courses contain hundreds of hours of questions and answers. Imagine a podcast episode multiplied by 100. I recommend you take a look at speakenglishpodcast.com/courses. Okay, we have reached the end of this episode. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Did you enjoy today's episode? Get the transcript now at speakenglishpodcast.com.